G'day, welcome to episode 106, I think it should be now. Just at Kings Park here in Perth. And have a bit of a look at views. Yes, I flew down from Perh.A what is it, 2 nights ago. There's supposed to be a bit of cloud happening during the week, so I'm just sort of getting around now. Yeah, so fly in, fly out to Perh.A, 3 weeks on, 1 week off. And I haven't already told you what I'm doing. I'm driving again, buses this time. But I can't actually film where I'm working, where I'm staying and that sort of thing. But yeah, out of Perh.A, in the Pilbara. Quite a few kangaroo paws. A good memorial. See people everywhere. It's a city. There's a 3D map of the Kokoda track. Second, 16th. 28th Battalion, World War I. Afghanistan, 2001. Korea, 11th Battalion, 12th Battalion, 16th. I think I'm heading to the Botanic Gardens. Just going into a bit of a cool spot. Glad I brought the coat. So there's a track here called the Kokoda Track. Right. Let's see where this leads me. I wonder if that tree is from New Guinea. Yeah, Owl's Corner. Yeah, famous part of the track there. Emitter Ridge. I've only brought 3 batteries, one's nearly depleted, so hopefully I'm not going down all these stairs. I need to have no batteries. Hopefully, let's wait and see. Trying to get up here now. This will probably give me the most exercise I've had for a few weeks, as I'll have to turn around and go back up. Yeah, so there's plaques of different parts of the Kokoda track. Different levels. Just doing my talking now going downhill, because I won't be doing much talking going uphill. Crazy. So as you get higher and higher, they put a plaque as you get the highest. What's over there? The Swan Brewery Company. That's what the building is. Right, that's a little excursion. Now to go back up the hill. There are joggers that come up and down and they're leaving a little pebble when they get to the bottom so they can keep count on how many times they've been up and down. So yep, up I go. See you at the top of that. Yeah, so you can see what they call this a Kokoda track path. I said I wasn't going to speak. Oh. Although when I worked at the Canberra War Memorial, there was a mock-up of the track. It was a lot steeper than that. No steps and it was mud. And now carrying guns and packs and everything. Really had that hard. So this is nothing compared to what they had. I'll continue on. Yeah, there. This battalion is the old Swan Brewery building I just went to. So it's the 2nd 16th Battalion. Botanic terrorists. God, my lips are frozen. I meant to say Botanic terraces. Plants of the Kimberley. Baobab tree over here. Lots of pandanus. Lemongrass. So Kimberley and Pilbara regions. So that's where I'm working here. Perth. So you have Fremantle right over here. Swan River. There's not a lot of "you are here" maps, so you're sort of a little bit, if you haven't been here before, don't really know where I'm going, how far it goes. Seems to go on for a long way. I think I might sort of head up. I'll sort of head back up just in case it's taken me somewhere I don't want to go.
2021, I've got a beautiful print of a flower tree.
So they're going to have lightscape here, 16th of June to 30th of July, so that's why it's closed after 3 o'clock. Right. So the Baobab was brought from the Kimberley. It took 6 days. The Swan River colony grew slowly until the rushes in Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie in the 1890s. So in 1895 Kings Park was officially named Perth.A. And the Duke of York arrived in Perth en route to England after opening the new Parliament of the Commonwealth. Perth Park was renamed Kings Park to honour the accession of King Edward VII. So this is Mount Eliza Lookout. Quite a good view of Perth here. Probably one of the best ones so far. Yeah, I wonder how old all these are. They look pretty old. There's a lot more here than I thought there was going to be. Let's go this way. Happiness City Living. It's going downhill again, I'm not sure. Steep slopes. No, I think I'll just sort of keep going around. So I'm on the Lottery West Federation walkway. So I'm here, so sorry for that reflection there. So yeah, the big lightscape event. These look like peppermint trees to me. Very shady. Camped under a few of these down near Albany and Denmark Way. Yeah, I think some of them at least anyway. Some look like tea trees as well. yeah, I'll grab a few tourist brochures and try to get a few ideas what to do. I think Rottnest Island will be one day, but when you sort of come back after 3 weeks on, you just sort of want a little bit of a break. But first day I went to the zoo, and second day I'm here. Oh, look at that, there's an unusual bridge coming. A glass bridge. That's a good view. Oh, look at the there's the brewery down there, the Swan Brewery. Look at the old boat there. Looks like the Gilligan's Island boat. Might even do a little bit of window shopping for another vehicle for one day. Tarago's a good car, Tarago's, but yeah, getting a bit small, I think, especially after being in the camp and having a spring mattress and a fridge and a hot water shower and all that. Just sort of think maybe wouldn't mind something a little bit more space. So I don't know yet, maybe a transit van or a Mercedes ambulance or something, I'm not sure yet. Apparently there's a couple of places here in Perth where you can have a look. There's a magpie with young. So I think if they want you to feel like you're wanting to feel lost, I think they're succeeding in terms of don't really know where I'm going. Got to have breakfast. Plants of the northwest. Quite a few baobabs here now. The bottle trees, as they're also called. Some nice ferns. No other people around. Thing here says place of reflection. It's the quietest I've had all morning. Yeah, one day I'll do a little video on the setup of the Tarago. I'll put the awning out and a little ensuite, but yeah, a bit of a mess because I've still got the seats in it, so I'll sort of clear out some junk and make it look a bit neater and sort of give you an idea on how I live in that. Yeah, when I came through here it was wildflower season, so there's a lot of wildflowers out. A lot of people out too. So I'm looking for the water garden. So got these red things up here. This will be part of the light show as well, I would say. It must look really good at night. This is the Banksia garden. Look at that one. Statue of Lord Forrest, explorer, statesman, first president of this park. Well, that's a bit of a walk through Kings Park and the Botanical Gardens in Perth. The old tea pavilion. Maybe I could do that one day. A sightseeing tour bus. That's it for Kings Park and the Botanic Gardens in Perth. And if you like that, don't forget the thumbs up and the notification button and subscribe button. Welcome to all the new subscribers. We'll see you next week. I might even jump on that red bus yet, I'm not sure. We'll see how the weather is tomorrow. A little bit tired now, so I'll go and have some lunch, I think. Well, thanks for watching. Take care. And there we go. I did get the Tarago in this video. It's got the really rare headlight protectors and bonnet protector. Well, see you next week.